YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 here to bring you another unboxing, sneaker review, and on feet. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My OGs, welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel with friends and family who's into fits and kicks. And we're gonna hop right into this review. So today, as you can see by the title of the thumbnail, we're gonna be reviewing the Caitlin Clark's Kobe PE. So let's go ahead and hit for this pair on sneakers. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram up here somewhere. It's Don1914, the same handle. If you just want to get more looks on some, different fit ideas and kicks on feet, follow my Instagram at Don1914. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is one of those boxes where you didn't need scissors, kind of ripped it up with your hands. All right, cool. So here's the box. So we've been getting this nice, sturdy, pristine Kobe box with the gold Kobe signature on the top of the lid for the last few drops that I can remember. And so, again, you got the Nike on that side, gold Kobe Mamba sign right there, all snakeskin black on the box, Mamba sign right there in the upper left, gold ring, and then here's the sizing tag right here. And the sizing tag does read Kobe 5 Protro, Midnight Navy, Midnight Navy. So it does have a marine on here too, but that's what the tag reads. Nothing on the inside of the box lid. You get the Kobe black Kobe paper with your gold Kobe Mamba sign. Another sheet of paper as well. And then here are the kicks. All right, cool. Now, I will say that this is my first pair of Protro 5s. I've never had a pair of Protro 5s, so this is my first pair. And I'm eager to take a look at these and see how they look in hand and things of that nature. So let me go ahead and just take a look real quick. Okay. Indiana Fever. I believe that's who she played for, right? The Indiana Fever, WNBA. That's pretty cool. They gave her own PE of the Kobe's. Now, does it say anything of her? Nah, I don't see that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the review. The Kobe 5 Protro, Caitlin Clark. Okay, so let's jump right into the review. Let's start with the outsole. You got that Midnight Navy outsole. Got that carbon fiber right there in the middle of the outsole. Got your red hit right there, and got your yellow Mamba sign right there on the back of the heel. Moving up to the lateral side of the shoe, you got that all Midnight Navy upper. And this is like a fly knit type of material. It's not leather. And you got a mixture of that red, orange, and yellow in that swoosh. And then let's see here on the back, you got Kobe signature. And you got a combination again of that red, that yellow, and you got Kobe signature in blue. So it's red, yellow, orange, like a combination of those colors on the back of the heel, which I think, makes it pop really well. On the back of the heel, at the top, you got mesh at the top, red laces coming down the front of the shoe. Mamba sign looks like it's in that Midnight Navy. Mamba sign right there at the top of the tongue, red tongue, and in the back of the tongue, you got that yellow in the back of the tongue. See here, does come with shoe paper, and in the inside, you got the Mamba sign right there. You got a navy blue, Midnight Navy blue insole with the Mamba sign in that red. That's pretty cool. Now, one thing that I was checking for, on the medial side of the shoe, you do get a swoosh as well on the medial side. Same as the lateral side as well. These are very shiny. That my light is hitting off of these things. Shining real well with that material that's on the upper. Now, when I'm looking at this right here, I was wondering if, and I didn't even notice that the tongue, it goes from like that red at the top, right? Where the Mamba sign is, it goes from red to that bright orange to that yellow going down the middle of the tongue. That's pretty cool. And this is all her team's colorway. If you ever watched it, caught any games of WNBA or any of her highlights, you'll see the colorway is prominent in the shoe. One thing that I was checking for though, this is a PE. We know it's a Caitlin Clark's PE. You know, basically Nike Sneakers app did confirm that, but I don't see anything like with her name on the shoe or anything like that that's really like that'll stamp it her PE. We know it's her PE, but I would have liked something with her name on the shoe as well to kind of, you know, solidify that it definitely is her Kobe's PE. But nonetheless, these are a nice shoe. Now, am I a big fan of the Protro 5? I don't know, man, not really. I mean, you know, they're cool, but I don't know, I just prefer the Protro 6 over these, but these are nice though. This is my first pair, so I don't know how they're gonna fit on feet. I mean, they look like they're more comfortable, and looks like the toe box is wider than you get on the Protro 6, so that may add to the comfort, because I always gotta go up a size and a half in my Protros to a size 11. These I got in a size 10 and a half, so we'll see how these fit and you know, hit you with that on foot. So, you know, I appreciate it. You know, I don't want to hold you too long. I just wanted to give you a quick review and give you a look at what these look like on feet. And you know, I did get the Kobe Air Force Ones, the all white, the Mamba Forever. So I will be doing a review of those tomorrow. So stay tuned in. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do drop that video. So without further ado, we're gonna hop into the on feet. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock money off.
I know. The way I'm dipping, steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.